I got the white pipe in here with the resonators, which is a tight fit, and my Jackson tools and stuff like that. So I'm gonna see what I can get done at the warehouse and just pretty much film everything, because that's what I'm gonna get used to, just filming and everything. So let's get there and get to work. Alright, so here we are in the warehouse. I got it jacked up with the forklift. Don't worry, I did it the right way. Let me show you guys the white pipe. This is the stock white pipe that I found for a good price, and some berks resonators. So it's I don't know if you can see right there, but it says berks. And there it comes with O2 sensors and everything. So that's why I bought this one. Yeah, let's get started on that. And I'm gonna just show you guys kind of like, I've never done it, but hey, let's do it. So. Alright guys, so I got it unloosened, the 2 bolts in the back, and then I got 2 right here. Let me show you guys. So this one's off, this one's off. I just need the one in the back, right back here, which is being a fucking asshole to come out, but it's about to come out. And then I just need to do that side, and then the whole thing should come out. Well, obviously you gotta disconnect the sensors and stuff. Yeah, look at my O2 sensor. Just look at this. At low life. Alright, be right back when I take off the white pipe, I guess, because it doesn't seem like it's gonna take any longer. So.
This shit is out.
What up, dog? Peace. I gotta still like. Is it filming?
Yes.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna take a little break. It was just a 14-inch and a 17. I'll use keys and ratchets and extendos. And make sure to unclip the O2 sensor bracket thingy before you take it out, because you don't want to be taking it out and rip all your O2 sensors out. So I'm back. We got it in. Tight from this side, tighten up from this side too, all around. Honestly, it was just a to get the bolts in, and like it's the way the cat goes in. It's just when you tighten it up and take it out, it's just such a weird angle. But other than that, it was pretty easy. It took us, well, I did most of the work now because my shoulder is better. But so I'm gonna be working on my car a little more, because I used to just need help, you know, because I didn't want to jerk my shoulder out of place. But this one was pretty easy. Now we're basically just gonna clean up everything and turn it on and see how it sounds without a damn exhaust leak. Should be getting some pops. Yes, sir. Let's turn on this bad boy. Alright, let's start her up. After months of exhaust leak, I can finally hear my car sound better. Let's see. Hey, what's up guys? So I'm just here at my job and I'm about to open the door so I can let in the Z so we can change the white pipe finally, after some asshole on Facebook decided it was a good idea to sell me one leaking. I just bought a whole new one, so let me open this door real quick. That's going in the video. Alright guys, so I got the car jacked up with the forklift. It was pretty easy. Let me show you guys the white pipe right now. This is, I believe, a Manzo. But to be honest, I've heard different
Oh, I can't wait to put it on. No more exhaust leak.
Hey, what's up, guys? So, I'm gonna take this white pipe off, and yeah, it was a pain in the ass. As you can see, it's a very tight fit. Okay, I'm gonna get out so I can Guys, I have vertigo, so being like upside down, it's like a fucking roller coaster sometimes. Well, let's put the new one on. Alright guys, I'm pretty tired, but I got the white pipe with the new test pipes, Manzo, so it should fit. Alright guys, so I connected the O2 sensors and everything's mocked up. Oh my god, this white pipe and these Manzo test pipes were just hell to put on, to be honest. If there's anything I would complain about is, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the white pipe is a little, right side is higher and left side is lower. I don't know if that's from factory, but it did mess up the way things went in, because I had to put the test pipes and then the white pipe. I couldn't put it together, so that took a little long time. Alright guys, here goes nothing. Woo! Down. Oh, what the fuck? The idle's a little weird. Alrighty. Test startup 2. Okay, it's cold start and it's cold as hell in this warehouse. Alright, since we got everything handled, I'm gonna get some coolant, just the regular fluids, wiper blades, put them on, and then I'm gonna just go and drive a little bit with the camera on. Just to let you guys know, if anybody wants to know my exhaust setup, it's Manzo test pipes, Manzo white pipe, and then from straight back, Z1 Motorsports, the Z1 Motorsports muffler. I really don't want to get headers. Honestly, I don't want to install them. But I think the car sounds nice with the stock headers. Let me pull all these fluids and we can get going. Alright, got everything cleaned up. It sounds way better, but I have a lot of things in the back. I can feel the weight. But yeah, let's get this little test run. It's for sure louder, and the throttle response is a lot better too. There you go. Perfect. This is amazing. My idle is amazing. Oil pressure is amazing.